Hi guys, today I'm gonna review Philips Garment Steamer 3000 series. So let's get going. As you must have seen in my previous unboxing and assembly video, the quality of the garment steamer is absolutely great and the best of its kind. The finishing is really high end. Here is the water tank. The water tank is 2 liters, hence it is great for huge loads of laundry. I prefer to fill the water tank with RO water since the regular tap water might be hard and it can hence clog the steam with its mineral deposit. Here is the knob to regulate the intensity of the steam. It takes only 6 seconds till it starts to release the steam after turning on the power. The steam is quick and dense. It quickly unwrinkles the fabric and prevents any burns which can happen with your regular iron. While everything is great, I just found two limitations in this garment steamer. First is that the steamer doesn't work when it is held lower to the ground. It only releases the steam when it is held higher. And secondly, the water tank leaks the water out of the water tank. I prefer to keep the water tank full at all times because without the water the steamer can melt down. My previous Philips garment steamer got melted down because there was no water left in it, hence I had to buy this new one. So I thought that I would apprise you guys. Here I am steaming a large piece of clothing called a lehenga, and this steamer made it very quick and easy without any hassle. Let me know how did you like the video and the review of this garment steamer. Do check out the unboxing and assembly of the steamer if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye.